I'm going to teach you two C chords that you did not know about. The first one, C9 sus4. Listen to it. By itself, it sounds kind of grungy. But look, when you put it with other chords, it starts to sound nice. Anytime you want to get to, in the key of C, you want to get to the F chord, play this chord. Let's see if you can catch it. Look. Did you catch it? See, by itself, a little grungy, but when you resolve it, it starts to sound nice. So anytime you want to get to an F chord in the key of C, use this as your passing chord right here. Okay? So let's say I'm playing a regular song, and I'll go to the F. Instead of just going from C, A minor, G to the F, after the G, I could go to add dynamic to your playing. So right? So anytime you play that F chord, before you play it, use that C chord because it sounds dope. The second chord is C7 sus2. Alright, this one I use in the key of A flat. I use that as a 7-3-6. So if you remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, the 7 is the G. The 3 is the C. The 6 is that F. So I want to get to the F. Do I just go straight to the F? No, I don't want to do that. I want to do some passing chords. So I'm going to do a 7-3-6. So I'm going to play A flat, then I'm going to go to the 7. Now I'm going to play that chord we just learned, 3. And then I'm going to resolve it with the F minor in the key of A flat. So those two chords again are C9 sus4, add 3, and then C7 sus2. Hopefully that made sense for you. If you have questions, let me know. Please subscribe. I'm dropping vids like crazy. And when I get the sound quality, everything going, I'm gonna start dropping free lessons. Once I get everything going, I'm gonna drop a free, like everything's gonna be free. I'm never gonna charge you anything. So, yeah, subscribe, stay tuned. We're gonna get it cracking.